Alright, it's motorcycle season again. Today we're doing a Ducati lost key replacement chip programming basically. This is going to be a 2015 Ducati 821 Hypermotard. The customer sent us the dashboard, they sent us the ignition, basically, and we have two keys. We supply the keys. As you see, it still has the holes, so they don't have chips in them yet. Basically, we're going to take these blank keys. We're going to figure out what the actual cuts are by decoding the ignition, cutting the keys, making sure it turns the ignition nice and smooth. Put the chips in the keys, and then take the chips, take the information from the chips, program it into the dashboard so the anti-theft system would allow the bike to start and you're back up and riding again. So after I'm done with this, it's going to be basically plug and play. I need these packages roughly for about 48 hours before I could turn them back around. And that's about it. I'll come back in a little bit with the keys cut, chips already prepped, programmed into the dash, and everything getting ready to go back. I'll come back shortly. Alright, we're back. We just finished making that key for this Ducati ignition and programming the chips into the dash. Here go key number one. This is what you're looking at. You see that steering bolt lock? You'll see it go in and out. That means you have the perfect cut key. Some people will just make you a key that goes from off to on and you won't be able to engage that bolt. If that's your case, whoever made your key, they didn't make it correctly. They don't have all the cuts exact, because the exact key will make it go to all positions. Park, lock, all the way over to off, on. Push in, push in. So that's perfect. Key number two, we don't have the chip in it yet, but same results. Works nice and smooth, all positions. The reason why we like to make sure it works nice and smooth, so when the customer gets this key back, it will work the gas cap smoothly. It'll work that seat lock pretty smooth. Here's the chip. We didn't put it in yet. Basically, we color code our chips. We write something on it or whatever. We got special markers just for this. Sometimes we got ultraviolet stuff, but we mark our keys. That way we can know if it's our chips. Because believe it or not, there are people out here that will try to send us keys that they had made from a locksmith that they purchased online, try to return it to us saying something's wrong with the key and try to get another key, whatever the case might be. So also, you don't have to buy no keys. All we need is the ignition, dashboard. We supply the keys. If you purchase a key online, we will not use them because we cannot guarantee the chips in them, or we can't guarantee the quality of the keys. These keys, I have a whole bag of them. Actually, this is a small bag. I got a bigger bag. I got a whole bunch of these keys. So I can guarantee they will work. I've been using them for the last couple years, and I have no problems. So you need my help, give me a call. I'll tell you what you need to send me, how long it's going to take, what it's going to cost, or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you. And then at this point, once we actually see, we get ready to package everything up, but at this point it's plug and play. Once the customer plug the dashboard up, plug the ignition back up, the bike will start. So, and that's about it. Thank you and have a nice day.